front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to take a photo and add it, or add already existing one, just click on this button of a photo and camera at the bottom right corner. Now, to take a picture, operate camera portion of your screen, and after you will snap it, it will be automatically attached. So all you need to do is send. To add already existing photos, use the same button. This time hold this line and drag it up to access your gallery. Then tap on all of your photos you wanna attach, and when you're ready, hit done at the bottom right corner. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!